Hey everyone, EnigmaCoinCollector here, and we've got a different video than I had mentioned I was going to post today. I originally said that we were going to post a penny hunt, and I do have that done. I'm just waiting to upload it. But I got this in the mail on Saturday, and I forgot it was going to arrive. This is the first 2024 coin from the mint in my collection, and this is just going to be the ASC that was released here this week. But like I said, it's not even the end of January, and we're already getting 2024 minted coins. So that's a little bit exciting. So I figured let's do an unboxing video today. We'll push the penny hunt until next week, and we'll go from there. So let me know if you guys are still in on the subscription. I still am. I'm a bit of a completionist, so that's kind of why I'm stuck doing this now. And I believe these are just going to be the West Point mint. These are just the uncirculated versions that were released. There's no proofs. I don't think it was the San Francisco. I think it's just the standard uncirculated version. Great. Keeping the paperwork off to the side. And you can see that we still have the same packaging that we were getting. I don't have any other boxes available with me. But yep, it's still the same black cardboard packaging with the silver embossment that's been printed. So yep, and they even put the mint on the box too. I don't know if they did that in 2023 or if this is a change for 2024, but it's nice to see that they are denotating these boxes a little bit more, because they can kind of get generic and you have to kind of open it to see what you got before you understand what's inside. So let's just do this together. I have not seen these yet in person. Again, it all looks pretty standard. Here's the COA. And you can pause to read if you so wish. And there we go. And okay, so it does look like the packaging has changed. It has changed. Wow. Okay. This is a welcome sight here, guys, because the packaging before I felt was pretty shoddy, very cheap plastic. In terms of the holder, and the box was paper. This, it feels like leather. I know it's not going to be actual leather. It's going to be fake leather. But wow, this is nice. We've got a nice hinge here on the back. We've got these two clasps for opening. This looks a lot better. I'm just going to say that right off the bat. This looks a lot better. It's got big rounded edges here. It feels nice. It feels polished. It feels smooth. It feels more worthy of what this coin would deserve. It's not cheap. It feels like they took some thought into this, and they put some thought into this, I should say, and it just feels better. So let's go ahead and crack this open. And already, yeah, I really like that presentation with the eagle. I did not know about this before I opened this package. I have not seen any other unboxing videos, so I didn't know that this was going to happen. But man, that feels a lot better. Just the display for the coin itself, it feels a lot better. I am going to send this off to get graded, so there's that. But let's see how hard it is to get this out of. Okay, it is pretty. Okay, there it is. We don't have to take the insert out. That was what I was having to do last year with all of those. I'd have to take out that really cheap plastic insert that the coin capsule was in, take it out and push the indent out back in to push the coin out, but didn't really have to do that this year. Let me just wipe this off real quick. Make sure there's no dust. There is the American Silver Eagle 2024 from the West Point Mint. That's just fog from me touching the coin. There is some dust, I will say, on the inside right there by the O of. It does look like it's dust. It does not look like watermarks or milk spots. The strike looks good. I love the detail in the feathers on the eagle there. So the strike looks good. The coin looks good. There is a little bit of dust, and I know it's pretty much impossible to not get some dust in the packaging process. Overall, it's acceptable. It's acceptable, especially with the fact that the case is a lot more elegant, we'll say. But yeah, that's the 2024 uncirculated American Silver Eagle coin being unboxed, and they're out there. Let me know in the comments below what your plans are for this year with purchasing these coins. Like I said, I'm a bit of a completionist, so I am definitely going to be purchasing all the variants on this, getting them sent out to get graded. I just sent my 2023s in to get graded here to PCGS, so we'll probably do the same thing with the 2024s. I like to wait until they are all in my hands and I send them all at one batch. Anyway, That was the unboxing of the 2024 American Silver Eagle West Point Uncirculated Edition. I hope you guys liked it. It was a nice surprise seeing that improved holder for the coin. Let me know what you think about all this in the comments below. Appreciate a thumbs up. If you haven't done so, please click that subscribe button. And remember, it's always a mystery until you open that box in the United States Mint and see what you got on the inside. Thanks for taking the time to watch, everyone. I'll catch you on the next one.